Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to download the AI systems and install in your PC. First of all, click link in the description. Then after you can go media fire. So in that fire you can see they have the download button in the blue color. Just click it and download in your PC. Then after find the location of that download file is gone. Click the zip file. Then after right click, then you can see there's the extract here. Otherwise you can drag and drop with the right click in the somewhere else the folder. Then you can see like this dialog. So in that dialog you have to click extract here. Once you done the extract here, just you can see there's the three indicators in the your folder. Now you can open the indicators using double click in the one indicator. Just you have to double click it on the indicator, then it will be automatically open in the MT5. Then after now you have to find the where is the indicators it located in on your navigator. Once you find our indicators in the navigator box, then after you have to just drag it and drop in the chart. You can see like that, drag and drop in our chart. Then after you can see there's the input and everything in the descriptions also. Just you have to click OK and indicator will be automatically turn it on. Same thing do every indicators. If you have any doubts, just contact us. Indicator also mentioned our contact details. Just only using WhatsApp or normal calls. We are available in 24/7. Okay, now we are going to how to find the signal and how to get the entry. So first of all, you have to select the time frame. There's the time frame 5 minutes and 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So normally we are recommending 5 minutes for the scalping, 15 minutes for the few holding. Like an example, like a 50, 60 pips, you can hold in a 50-minute chart. So if you using 5 minutes, just you can hold it only 10, 20 pips only. So like that you can see now I'm put the red color line. That's the my entry price. So that's the I'm going to enter the market. So another thing is that indicators showing once the candle is start the creating, I meaning candles get the start to create. In that time, same time the indicator signal also will indicate to you, you can buy in that place. So in that case just we will keep only 20 15 pips to the higher than the entry price, because of the sometime we are busy, we was busy, so that time we couldn't. So in that case we had the time to manage the indicator signal. Then you can see down below, arrow below, we will put the our SL. It will be just only 15 to 30 pips only get the SL. This indicator you can use to the scalping and swing trade also. If you are going to hold the trade or swing the trade, you can use more than 15 minutes time frame. Normally 5 minutes you can use for the only scalping. Just only take the entry and just exit. Only that way we can profit. And you can see there's the green color and red color arrows. So it's mean a green color arrow mean it will be buy. It's like a buy signal. Red color arrow mean it's like a sell signal. And you can see top right side corner there's the showing downtrend and the currency price also, currency name, sorry, currency name, and the trend, and there's below is our indicator name. So in that situation just you have to find the direction of the market. First of all you have to read the top right side, the which side it will be showing the today market. If the market is will be going to the upside like uptrend, you have to be get always buy, you have to be stay in the always buy side. Now the market is the downtrend, So you can be get in the sell trades in the downside. So let's we see how we can take the entry and like that. So now I analyze how will we get that buy entry, buy arrow, how it's work. So just I keep the blue color is the my entry price, and red color is the my SL price, and green color is the my TP1, and second one is the TP2. Second green line is the TP2. So in between there's the like a 20-30 pips in the between TPs. So in that case, you can use the indicator for the scalping is the better, and you can see this now market also running very fast, and you can see this showing sell side sell signal. So now I will be trying to get the sell signal, and I will show you how I will make the money from the indicator. Okay. So now I'm trying to get that red color sell error. So that's the price line normally break up. So I have to wait until the green color will be touched, and that the first green color line is the entry price, and the second one is the sell. So I will wait and I will see what will happen in that trade, and you can also see in the what will happen in this trade in the live. Okay, now price is going to touch the my place. So I took the one sell trade. Now I'm waiting for the give the profit. So I put the TP1 line so on there, and the PC have there's some few options. I will explain you. So if you are busy, or if you are working in the some company, or if you are working somewhere else, so you cannot see always the market. In that situation, normally computer and laptop we can use the trailing stop. It's look like a simple way I will explain you. It's look like a break even. So the computer will automatically break even your trade once it will be going the profit on. Once the market is going to profitable, so you can see there's the once you right click in the trade, you can see the trailing stop, and you can see there's the 5, 10, 20, 25, 30 points. There has the trailing stop points. So once you click the 5 or 10, so your market it will be like a market price, it will be moving lower than now. I got the sell trade. In that situation, market must be need to go below the my trade, and it will be getting the profit of the more than 10 pips. So now you can see there's the automatically SL will be moving to the down, and you can see down there is already starting the counting the profit, and it will be ending one it will be hit the SL, but it will be hitting by SL, but you always be a profit. And if we are break even, so we will be getting only few dollars. But if you put the trailing stop, you can be earn more money from the market. Once the market is going down, you will be getting huge price. I meaning if you are get the sell, if you are get the buy signal, if the market is going the higher, the your price also, your profit also, this will be getting higher price. So if you have any doubts, just you can see, right click the chart and find the indicator list, and double click it the indicators, and you can be see in the comment box our contact details and email address also. If you have any issues or if you have any doubts, just let us know with the contacts, so we will fix it. And if you don't know how to trade, or if you don't have the experience to the trading, just let us know. I will guide you for the free. So thank you very much for the watching our video, and thank you very much for the downloading our AI system.